So guys, we are inside our sample project. Here we have a base layer and two overlays. Now suppose we want to apply a effect only on this video. For that, tap on an empty space to unselect everything. Now select the effect option. Let's apply something which is highly visible so that we can see where the effect is going. Suppose this green monitor overlay, select the option, but as you can see, nothing happens. To apply any effect, we need to tap and hold. After releasing, tap, hold, drag the edge to adjust the duration of the effect and select on which part you want to apply the effect. Confirm it. Now as you can see, we have the effect only on the base layer, but we want to apply this effect on this video. For that, tap on this blue area to select the effect layer, select the effect, go to range, select the video on which you want to apply the effect. And to apply effect on all of them, select all. Also don't forget, in same way we can apply multiple effects, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.